can you see here we have make the mistake $sign, and here we will, this is the class control, and it's string. This value variable is string. We have write as a decimal point number, floating number. Here is the string. Now let's run. We must be very, very careful, seriously, because you can write in one row. Can you see? And here is con. I have make some change in the space here. Here I have add some space, and here for better seeing, and some of here I have make space here and here, because after printing this, to have the space to differentiate from other result in command window, and after printing this result, the cursor of just a moment, after printing this, the cursor to go in new line in the beginning of this line. This is meaning of this, the \n, new line character. And now let's run this. Run, click right of the mouse, or here you can run. Now length is, for example, you can write here input value in one line, or enter, I say, for example, we can type all negative. We have the what figure is this, it's con. Look at that. This is length. Where is the length? High, radius, high, length. And I have forgotten and length to add. Double data type, length. Length, it's the variable of the class. Get length, print formatted, length, specify what format is the length. Get from method, just now from this variable class, can you see, this is, we have instantiate from this class. This is the variable of this class, and we from this class, from that class, we have called this method to return the value of length. Now, and we have stored here in this variable length. Now we are going to print length. Placeholder of this length, it will be assigned here. Now let's run this code. Here, same. The length here we have defined before. Here length, we have two length. Length, it make problem. We can select this and refactor and rename. We will differentiate now, and here we can write Great. Let's run now. Let's make more bigger size. Length. You can write in one line, or to make, let's make this negative now, and string its con. Now and here we have forgotten to say that after printing that, to go in new line, we can make length here to say, you can write here percent and new line, and you will see that after printing this, the cursor will go in new line. Just minus and con. Can you see length? This is length, high, slant, high, radius, and name of geometric figure, it's con. And for all value it is. And we have here negative. We have not used in setter method there the absolute value, but for calculation we have used. And here is the calculated area. Here we have 2 because here, can you see? We have here, say that print that value, and here 2 times we have, and here it's not any problem. Now here is the calculated area, the calculated volume. Now I'm going to explain what we have done here. Here we have this class. We have created the instance variable. When we have private, it means that this instance variable when we use private, it means that this instance variable, it will be accessed just in these methods classes that we have here, setter and getter, and 2 methods for calculating surface and volume. It means this instance variable we are hiding from other classes. We just when we use private, it will be just accessed in methods of this class only. It cannot access from another class. Now we have declare here. Here we have declare string. Now here is the set, and this is the name. This is the setter, set, and this is the name of the method, and this is the parameter. This local variable of this parameter is radius, and this value of radius we will assign to this instance variable, and it will be stored here in this instance variable. After that, we are creating the getter method, get radius. You can write this whatever name you like, get name, for example, or it is whatever name you like. And when we use double here, it means this here it will return the double value. Now this keyword this, it means store in the instance variable length, because here we have length and here length. to differentiate here these two, because to not have the overlapping with two length variable, because here we have length and here we have length. To differentiate from each other, we type here this keyword this, and this, it means this is the variable of instance variable or field from instance variable. This is from parameter. And now we have here calculated. Math absolute is that the result will be just positive, and here is we have explained. Now in main class we have, this is read the input value. Here say that from this class, can you see, this is the class. From this class create the variable, and we are going to create a new object. Now from this variable set, this is variable, this is the method. From this method assign to this method the input value of length. Can you see that length value? It will be assigned here, and that value here, it will be assigned, substitute to this length instance variable.